This block, there's so many different uses for this, but today I'm going to show you the Smudgicure style. For this design, I used Thriller, which is the purple, and this really beautiful green, which is Ghoulish. So really simple. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of blot some color. So if you want, go ahead and mix it, and then you go with your scraper card like that. Make sure your scraper card is more slanted. So I'm going to go ahead with my stamper, pick up the shape. There you go. I'll put some black onto my slippery paper here, and I'm just gonna smudge this out. I like it to be a little bit more distressed. Yeah, that looks good. So I'm gonna use this design right here. And let's go over here and stamp those eyes. What do you guys think? That looks pretty cool, huh?